Today, we are at Residensi Adelia, a rumah Selangor project located in Bangi. Designed mainly as an on-state development, each unit starts from 1,000 square feet, offering spacious living for first-time homeowners. Hi, I'm Mr. Tan, representative from LEBROTHERS Construction Sdn Bhd, the main contractor of Residensi Adelia. As an on-stay project, our main priority is to ensure our buyers feel satisfied when they receive their unit and get the best value out of their home ownership. To make moving in as smooth and comfortable as possible, we provide essential appliances such as the refrigerator, water heater, air conditioner, and the TV. That's why we chose Haier as our appliances partner. As a Fortune Global 500 company and being the global #1 major home appliance brand, Haier's reputation and proven track record gave us full confidence in selecting them for the project. It has truly been a pleasure working with the Haier team. Throughout the process, they have been professional, cooperative, and attentive to our needs. For a project like this, having a reliable and supportive partner is a top priority. And Haier has delivered exactly that.